Hi traders, struggling to find trend reversals. This is KCP Alpha Pro bands. The price near to band and going up, it is buy area. The price near to upper band and going down, this is sell area. The candle colors show the strength of buy or sell side. The bands act as a support and resistance. If you want to learn this indicator step by step, comment step by step, follow and subscribe my YouTube channel for more simple trading tips. This is my YouTube page. You can comment and follow. Thank you for listening.